So hi everyone, just underway here in the car to give you an experience of the audio and visual capabilities of the T8 whilst we've got some background noise. I'm obviously operating hands-free here. The microphone is front facing on the camera, and you'll be seeing the pictures in 1920 by 1080p recording. The camera will allow you to select whatever resolution you want from the menu setting, and that's obviously depending on how much storage you want to give to those recordings and what quality of image you need. The POC service is running on the device as well. There's a touch screen on the device to allow you to interact with it, but obviously there are physical buttons that make it very easy to be an instant communicator. There's a dedicated push to talk button and an SOS button, and for the camera catch cam capabilities, there's an instant image capture button in addition to the video recording slider switch, and that catch cam instant image allows you to just grab stills without having to go hunt through the menu to find the functionalities. In addition to the camera capabilities, the device supports GPS, so you can link your location to the files that you're capturing, and there's an infrared capability on the camera too, so you can operate in low light and twilight scenarios. The device itself is IP67. That means that you'll be able to use the device in all weathers. Ingress protection is afforded to the device because of this. Elements are throwing at you. If you're going to wear the device, you need the right kind of accessories for the job you're doing, and the device comes with a cradle and belt clip in the box, but there are also other options available using the very effective Peter Jones click fast system and stud locking that allows you to affix the camera to your uniform in the most appropriate way for the job you're doing. In addition to the wearable capabilities, we've also got a listen-only headset for the camera, which means that your audio between you and the control room can remain private, yet you can still transmit the microphone audio to the control room from the camera at the same time as recording. And the device also has a back office solution with a auto dock capability that takes the evidence and files off the device automatically without the user having to do anything other than just put the device in the dock, and at the same time as it taking the information off the dock, it's also conveniently charging the device too. The device itself operates over LTE, a variety of LTE bands available, and the device also has Bluetooth and Wi-Fi capabilities on board, making it a very comprehensive device that can fulfill many different roles. As a converged solution, not only is it giving you body cam capabilities, but the group communication service on the 2A POC service to both your control room and your team wherever they happen to be.